araw-araw binubugbog nila ako. Na, to the point na tinatamad na nga ako, to be honest. But right now, I'm fighting under minus 70 kilograms.
From 90?
From 97, yeah. I'm Gio Trinidad, Master 1 Division under 70, blue belt.
Gi or no gi?
Gi. Feel ko may mas control ako. For me, it's more technical. Not throwing shade sa no-gi naman. I know it's hard then. We should practice both naman. Pero I still prefer gi.
What do you think is your favorite competition move?
Ninja choke.
Ninja choke. What motivated you when you first started competing?
When we first started, actually, that's my wife. I started at 97 kilos. So, we use jiu-jitsu as a outlet of stress sa work. Then, at the same time, naging win-win siya dahil bumababa yung weight namin.
Yeah.
So, naging physically fit ako. Right now, I'm fighting under minus 70 kilograms.
From 90?
From 97, yeah. Yun yung parang naging motivation ko to compete and to test my skills na rin.
What do you think helped you the most in this competition?
Teammates ko talaga. They pushed me to my limits. Araw-araw binubugbog nila ako. Na, to the point na tinatamad na nga ako, to be honest. But ang mahalaga is you keep showing up even if there are days na parang sluggish ka. Feeling mo wala kang progress, just keep showing up.
What's your biggest advice to people who want to start competing?
Mararamdaman mo if you're truly ready. Don't force yourself to do things na ayaw mo. Kasi at the end of the day, ikaw nagko-control ng gusto mo. But if you really want to test your skills, to know na gumagana talaga yung jiu-jitsu mo, better compete. Wala rin naman mawawala eh.
Any shoutout sa team mo, sa social media accounts mo?
Flow Antipolo and Project Lifestyle Manila.
Thank you so much.